We're wishing you and yours a Merry Valentine's Day. And that's why we're featuring 8 wonderful Valentine's Day trees that you and your kids will absolutely love. And stick around to the end of this video to vote for your fan favorite so that one lucky lady can win a gift card and be featured in an upcoming Mommy Room redo episode. Also, answer our question of the day so that you can win a prize too. And with that, let's get started. It's Valentine's Day, and some folks mark this occasion with a Valentine's Day tree, as you see me decorating right here. In this video, we're showcasing sisters who have stepped up their Valentine's Day decor, and we encourage you to stick around to the end to select your favorite creator so we can bless them with a gift card. First up is Miss Ruby. She decided to flip her Christmas tree into a Valentine's Day tree, and she got most of her decorations from the dollar store. To add to her decor, she found some old red envelopes and cut them out into hearts. If Miss Ruby has stolen your heart, give this lovely lady your vote. We've got Delcia in the building. Delcia's decor is inspired by her grandson. He gets excited when he sees her holiday decorations. Her goal is to zhuzh up her home for every occasion with finds from Hobby Lobby. For now, let's enjoy her beautiful Valentine's Day tree. If Delcia's decor resonates with you, when you get to the end of this video, cast your vote. Patricia demonstrates that Valentine's Day trees don't have to resemble Christmas trees. Take her Valentine's Day tree as an example. Her chic and unique heart-filled beauty is lit, literally. And the gnomes that she picked up from Home Goods really complete her creation. So, if you've fallen in love with Patricia's Valentine's Day tree, then give her your vote. Raquel's Valentine's Day decor is a triple threat. She put up 3 Valentine's Day trees this year. The first one was designed to match her living room. This mother of 3 boys decided to go girly this year with a pink and white Valentine's Day tree. And then her other 2 trees replicate the traditional Christmas tree. If you were particularly impressed by Raquel's Valentine's Day enthusiasm, return the energy by casting your vote for this creator. Tia has been putting up Valentine's Day trees since 2020. This year, she put up a pre-lit 7.5-foot silver tree that is big and bold. She got it for only $50 from Home Goods during an after Christmas sale. Her decorations were from the Dollar Tree, At Home, and Michael's. If her big tree made a big splash with you, give Tia your vote. Lakin is in the mood for love, as demonstrated by the love ornaments that adorn her Valentine's Day tree. She got her decor from Ross, Five Below, and the Dollar Tree. Are you getting that lovey-dovey feeling from this tree? Well, if you are, show Lakin some love at the end of this video.
Hey guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and make sure you comment down below ideas that you have for us to try on our home.
Michelle goes all out with her Valentine's Day decorations, and that includes setting up an appreciation display with goodies for her delivery people. She gets her decor from the Dollar Tree and enjoys how her Valentine's Day trees become the focal point for her living room. If you want to deliver support to this creator, then you know what to do at the end of this video. Carissa was inspired to create her Valentine's Day tree and start a new tradition with her daughter after seeing a TikTok video. Her supplies, consisting of ribbon, signage, characters, and more, were purchased from the dollar store. To support Carissa's new tradition, give her your vote.
All right, good people, so now it's time to cast your vote. You have to do 3 things. The first thing is like this video. The second thing, subscribe. And of course, put the name of the person you want to vote for down in the comments. We'll let you know the winner next week.
And now for our question of the day. Which TV icon appeared in our Mommy Room Redo 1000 subscriber episode? Put your response down in the comments. If you're selected, then you could win a gift card too.
Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.